In today's video, I'll show you how to install updates for Cyberpunk. Here you can able to see the update list. There is only one update available, P2.30 to P2.31. Once you have the update, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe. Select the yes option, select OK, select next. I accept and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select to OK and select next. Already exit, select the yes option. You can change the in-game username and select next install. Once update done, uncheck this option and select finish. And now to check that, right click and select open file location, right click on the exe and select properties and go to details. The game is successfully updated to 2.31. As you can see, current version is 2.31. To find this working fine, and as you can see the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.